Have you ever felt envious of a bird soaring high in the sky with effortless grace? Well, don't let your jealousy get the best of you just yet. Here's a fun fact that might ease your envy. While birds can fly, they can't survive in space. That's right. The very same lack of gravity that makes space travel possible would actually make it impossible for our feathered friends to swallow their food. So, next time you catch yourself coveting a bird's ability to fly, just remember that there are some perks to being earthbound.